Hello guys, nasaan tayo sa Saskatchewan landing port tayo. Medyo gagala tayo konti dito. Saskatchewan landing provincial park. Ito na main gate na main gate. Kailangan mo ba sa main gate na day pass lang. I think $11. Nasa main gate guys.
Canadian. The labeling is either unclear or inaccurate or how widespread is that?
Aircon.
We've all seen examples of it. I've not seen it quantified by how widespread it is.
Parang dito umulan. Basta yung kalsada eh.
There are these, as we're seeing changes in the supply chain, we're seeing changes about where things are coming from, and someone in the store might make a mistake, and so I think in some cases it's accidental. But there are other examples where it's very clear that it's not breaking the regulations, skirting
Yun na marina.
in an effort to support their
Yung mga yachts
or to keep products moving off the shelves. And so we've seen incorrect use of processed in Canada.
Kasi yung Optentics dito.
Where packaging,
Yun alam eh.
where strawberries were coming
Tanong
in
tayo sa lugar.
Baka yung mga bayan naman.
processed in Canada.
Diba? Parang tinatang pa.
I think it's within
Dati na nung sa front eh.
spirit of regulations, I would argue, and at the very least disingenuous in an effort to get people to buy products that maybe they aren't that interested in. So I think we're getting ahead because this has become such a strident desire by Canadian
Meron dito
consumers.
Authentics eh. Kaso hindi ko alam kung saan banda.
And regulations catch up. So it's important that there's some reputational
Pag glamping,
stores are
sabihin, glamorous camping. Kasi kompleto na.
processors are presenting information accurately. I think I heard reference earlier to the soup company that closed all its Canadian plants and then put a designed in Canada with a maple leaf on
Di ba ba yun?
cans to sort of say we're a Canadian company and the recipes are here. To Laura's point, and some of our neighbors are benefiting from that, but to me, that's stretching. That's stretching. If it's not stretching the truth, it's hoping that people aren't going to scratch the surface and see what's underneath it. So yeah, I think we are
Saskatchewan landing.
having some misdirection happening, and that can happen anywhere.
Let's go to their campsites. Let's check them out.
On the side of a highway on my way up.
Mga campsite nila. Mga RV, tsaka tenting, tsaka RV.
They had some imported product on their shelves with the boxes in behind the store. So I think we always have to be careful. We always have to ask.
Thanks sa ma'am.
And if it's important to us, we need to do the
Tayo
research.
dyan.
Yeah, that's, I mean,
Camping
really,
yan.
how do we get as educated and how do we aim for transparency? Because it's becoming loud and clear in this conversation. Eric Cope is
Mga
joining
RV.
us now from Stratford, Ontario. Hi, Eric. What is your question or your comment today?
Thanks for having me. My question may seem a bit naive, but when Trump started talking about the trade deficit between the U.S. and Canada, we know that he was using some wildly
Mas maganda pa dito kaysa sa ano.
imaginative numbers. But
Saan?
it
Buffalo
makes me
pa.
wonder,
Pero wala swimming pool
why
dito.
is there an expectation
Yeah, no swimming pool here.
Canada was 1/10 of the population of the U.S.?
But there's a river
The same amount of
on the other side.
Ito yung shower
the
room
U.S.
nila.
that the U.S. provides much. I don't understand that expectation, but
Berpaw.
What a good question.
Paano dito dati yata eh.
Question to Laura. Yeah, the trade
Just check it out.
Definitely good. And in fact, if you look at it in percentage
Mas
terms,
mapuno pa dito, eh.
Canadian purchases
Check this
from the
bear
United
pao.
States really, we're punching above our weight already.
Mga
But
RB.
the question of why we would base any decisions on trade deficits is just bizarre. I mean, I have a deficit with my local grocery store. I buy more.
Nasa tayo mga kaibigan sa Bear Paw Campground.
To make my life richer and more wonderful. Also, trade deficits are only counting the movement of goods.
Yeah,
between,
washroom.
the U.S. and Canada. If you add
Hindi mo na ma'am.
banking going from Alberta to
Yun na, washroom, malaki.
and that is a product that Americans very
Pero
much
isa
want
lang
to
yan.
buy, and they process it in the U.S. Gulf states, and you
Pinaka nila, ice cream house nila. Sa Bear Paw Campground. Ice cream house.
Ah,
Ano? Aircon?
init eh. May RB naman sila, ba't sila dito? Ako mag-RB dito. Hindi ako dito. Kasi may mga ano sila, ganyan. Ang tawag doon?
Mga jet ski.
Tigisa pa sila. May palubo pa yung hinihila.
May tube. May tent din, dalawa. Tenting. Dito marami po dito may andra. Pero mostly mga RV.
Saan kaya tayo dati?
Hindi mo saka, tagal na yun eh.
Pero isang beses lang tayo dito nag-camping.
Saka lang.
Nagbabike sila mabili. Huwag ganun ba ito?
RV guys, mga RV dito. Pamayaman.
Pangit pa yung ano nila, portalet pa pa.
Baka portal ko yan. Bago na rin yan.
Hindi mo hindi upgraded eh. Dun sa Cypress. Yung labas, okay pa eh. Okay na eh.
Kung mayroon tent din oh, may tenting din. May mga tent siya, mga tent oh. Mga tenting din. Ito rin tent men. Oo.
Sarga pa nila ng ano pa.
Trabal.
Pwede pala yun.
Mga sa ulan. Kasi ulan ngayon eh. Dami ulan.
Pilipino yun.
So palabas na ng Bear Paw mga kaibigan. Sa iba naman tayo pumunta. Sa ibang campsite.
Si Alfred yan ah.
Fred! Basta! Wala, gumagana lang. Tayo. Sige. Nakita ko mga kaibigan si Alfred. Kaya si Karen din, nagka-camping dito. Ito sa tayo sa Sagebrush, Sagebrush Campground.
For efficiency in the world, but for choice. We heard that.
Ulitin mo, delete mo.
Sagebrush sa
Sagebrush! Ano mo?
So we need to
Hindi Sagebrush pala. Hindi pala Sagebrush. Sagebrush daw.
we produce potatoes, we produce wheat, carbohydrates, we produce
Mali tayo, mali.
beef and chicken. We'd have
Sagebrush Campground tayo mga kaibigan.
and lentils. We could be self-sufficient, but we wouldn't have avocados, we wouldn't have oranges, we wouldn't have, in the winter we wouldn't have broccoli. So let's
Sagebrush
to
Campground.
improve trade, but it's important that both sides of the argument play by the rules and stick to their commitments.
Fascinating conversation with both of you and all the people who called in. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks for having me.
I've been speaking
Ayan, mga RB.
who is a professor of food agriculture and resource economics at the University of Guelph, and Laura Dawson, who is the executive director
Mga
of
speedboat, oh.
Reporters Coalition. And now let's turn to our second topic of the day.
Baka dito bago na yung CR. Upgraded na to. Ito upgraded na pa, tingnan mo. Doon hindi.
Bawa na yung washerman. Kung hindi na portal dyan, baka na. Tara may ball.
Wala saan ka ano, dead end at ako.
Pegot na yan.
Para maganda dito.
Puno.
Hindi, para may privacy, para may mga...
Masang putik, putik.
Kahit saan naman.
Parang tayong puno,
Saka meron
shady.
parang ano sila, yung may partition.
Oh, shady. Hindi maaraw, malilim.
Basta may snip daw dito eh.
210 names, one ballot, and one of them is Pierre Poilievre. The Battle River Crowfoot by-election in Alberta isn't just about this one seat.
Yun na washroom.
Check mo kaya washroom.
Mambago na.
Hindi naman washroom. Punta ka lang. Ano kang tissue? Para may idea lang tayo. Pero sa kabila, sa ano yun? Burpo? Luma pa eh. Ito bago natin pa.
Yan, tenting yan mga kaibigan, tenting. Tenting. Para mga Pinoy.
Ano nga?
Pilipino.
Grabe yun, ah.
Dito pa tayo sa Sagebrush tayo mga kaibigan.
Bago
Dito
nila
pa
ano
rin,
nila.
dito pa rin.
Bakit sa Burpo hindi pa upgraded? Kumpulan yung mga tento.
Mga tent, dami.
Mga Pilipino yun.
Mga Pilipina, mga Pinoy. Ito mga RV.
Satellite po siya.
May tent.
Time that elections Canada has in calling elections by stacking the ballot with as many kind of one issue.
May may screen rounds. Nasa mga bags.
Actually had a ballot with over 200 names on it, it would be a billboard rather than a ballot. And so it's forced us to take a look at what we can do to prevent this from happening in the past. And I'm pretty sure that this is going to provoke legislation and all to try and prevent
Kasi nanarang. May walker siya.
Today is why does the Pierre Poilievre by-election matter to you, and what does it say about Canadian politics? You want to call us? The number is 1-888-416-8333. Again, the number to
camper na lalabas.
Based on his performance in
Papunta daw siya dito. Ano, pinapalayas ka?
Pinapauna niya ako.
Ha?
Pinapauna niya ako. Kasi papasok siya dyan eh. Ito na ito mga kaibigan. Riverside Campground. Tabing ilog daw. Let's see what they got here. Tabing ilog ito. Tabing ilog. Riverside.
Huli, maputik.
Mga RB.
there's really two parts to what you're saying. One piece about the long ballad that's happening in the violation in
May tindi na matin.
your concern with the way that lines are drawn around two roads.
Ito mga daw, patindi naman daw. Mga iso. Shady eh.
We'd be interested in Melissa, Craig. We're gonna have somebody who's participating
Tent ba yung brown na yun?
join us
Tension eh. Oh.
in just a moment.
Kakainan niyo ata yun eh.
May playgrounds na playground.
Cody Simmons is joining us from Trail BC. Hi, Cody. What's your comment?
Playground.
Oh, I'm well. I enjoy political conversation, so this has been a good flex this afternoon.
Washroom.
Ano to area?
Riverside.
Pero nakakatakot naman dito. May tumas yung tubig eh. Ang lamig dito, no?
Dito na. Deden. Ito mga dam, malawa ko.
Kaya nga eh.
Dahil puno oh. O dyan, banda.
Mas malamig dyan. Maganda kasi RB yan eh. Safe ka dyan eh. Ito magte-tent ka, nakakatakot. Dapat dyan bilhin natin pang ilaw oh. Hindi Christmas light.
Yung yellow.
Yun oh.
Yung yellow.
Nakatawa tayo Christmas light eh.
Pauso. Yan yung ano maibigan, Riverside Campground. Taseba. Ito yung grabe maibigan, glamping, glamorous camping daw. Ito yung bababa dyan, ma'am.
One way, oo naman.
It's not just because it's a tight race, it's not even because of how
Tarik.
all of this is unfolding.
Glamping. Mga authentics.
Many of the candidates are independent. It is the longest ballot in Canadian history. And
One way.
part of a protest. It is called the longest.
Exit.
Saan ito office?
There, UP is joining me.
Yung office sila eh.
One of the
So
candidates
diyan ka magbabayad?
in studio today.
Magkaiba pala to.
Here with me, Derek. Hi.
Ayun, check.
Babas na.
Ha?
So, meron dito babae na nagbabantay. Medyo
Owner siya pa.
napagtanong kami ng kung magkano. Sabi niya, per night daw, 199 for family, 2 person, 2 kids daw. Complete na, may sa loob ng kwarto ng tent, may washroom. May mapats na, may utensil na, may bed pa. Pero ito na, may
Parang Airbnb na.
may pillow na para Airbnb na siya. Kaya tawag nila glamping kasi nga glamorous camping na. Everything is complete na. Wala ka nang kailangan dalhin. Everything all in. Pero itong place ito parang semi-private to. Pero sabi, pwede daw mag-browse around daw, pwede daw mag-drive around, pwede naman daw. Nga lang yung mga units daw, wala siyang may papakita kasi lahat daw taken.
Asan dito?
Fully book. Ayun o. Parang ano, authentic pa na yan. Ayun siya mga kaibigan.
Mas malaki doon sa Authentics. May ano pa siya, oh. Patio.
Parang bahay na siya,
Parang cabin, no?
parang cabin siya, style niya. Ayun siya. Meron pa siyang deck, sa harapan may deck.
Ah.
Kaso, tubad nga, data taken na, kaya yung loob hindi pwede yung view. Labas lang. Tension na parang bahay na, malaki. Pero nasa gitna ng kabundukan, forest.
How many cars ang pwede? Dalawa lang.
2 cars. Kasi ano, family. Ang nakakalakaan niya, maganda dyan, yung washroom sa loob na. Hindi ka na lalabas pa para mag-washroom. Mahal din 200 per night, no? Mahal din, no? Parang hotel din. Pero may siya aircon sa heater. Aircon and heater kasama na.
Pero isa lang kama, no? Wala din bunk.
Isang kama siya, queen size.
Siguro pwede ka mag ano na airbed. Magdala.
Baka pwede airbed siguro. Pero ano, family yan, 2 adults siya, 2 kids lang.
No firewall. Ay, para ano. Yun lang may... Oo,
So ito tayo sa kabila guys, kabila landing. Nasa may swimming area nila. Sa kabila. Left wing. Ito kasi ano, right wing to. Tayo sa left wing. Tatawid ng highway. Gold car oh. Ito golf course. Ginagawa niya. Sa Saranggola. Nakabad. Ano, nagbibideo rin. Mga vlogger din.
Nakabibigyan yun.
Hindi ba,
Wala. Nagpa-video yung parating. Kasama sila. Na-video mo ko ah.
ito na, docking area. Ano, speedboat. Ranger Station.
Thank you very much for that. We have one last caller today, Tracy Davis is joining us from WCI. Tracy, what is your comment today?
Yeah, my comment is that yes, obviously, very clear.
Tarik pababa. Sobrang tarik niya. Ngayon napakayat niya pababa naman matarik. Tapos sabay tayo mag-left para swimming. We're gonna turn left here. Cottonwood Beach.
Magpas ka, doon yung way ng ano, parking.
Mabalik tayo sa dalawa yan eh. Namataw sa beach siya, may naliligo.
Bumaba na uli, no? Dati pinang tumaas yan, di ba? Yan, danan pa nga. Dati wala kang danan.
Ang parking na isa.
I hear a lot of conservatives say it's hard to disagree with what Mr. Carney is doing.
Well, thank you both very much for the conversation today. Certainly a lot to watch in this by-election. And thank you very much for your time.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Rob Russo is the Canada correspondent for the
Ang parking na no parking. Puno.
professor of
That's isa.
policy studies at Royal University in Calgary.
Puno yung parking yun, puno parking. Ito yung nila, pinabit sila. Cottonwood Beach. Number na naliligo. Ito yung ano guys, overlooking ng ano, Saskatchewan River. Mataas na mataas, mataas yung elevation niya. Yung mga nag-speedboat to. So yun lang guys. Tapos namin sa Saskatchewan Landing Park. Thanks for watching the vlog. Have a nice day guys. See you on my next vlog.